Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you grow an impactful online business. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about a browser add-on called Keywords Everywhere, which helps you get a better return on investment when running Etsy ads for your listings. Now, the Keyword Everywhere extension shows search volume, cost per click, and competition on multiple websites, including Etsy. So if you want to learn how this tool can really help you run more effective ads, make your budget last longer, and increase your overall sales, make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first one notified of any new videos. So let's head over to my computer and I'm going to show you how this amazing tool works. So here we are on my computer, and the tool that we're talking about is called Keywords Everywhere. If you're interested in learning more, you could go to keywordseverywhere.com. And I love this extension. If you do end up buying credits to use it, you will install it either in Chrome or Firefox. I have it installed, as you can see right here. And it's really nice because with this keyword research, you could do keyword research for your YouTube channel, for your blog, for your Etsy store, and much more. And it gives you your search volume, so like how many people are searching for that particular keyword monthly. It gives you the cost per click. If you decide, okay, I want to run an Etsy ad using this keyword, how much is it going to cost me per click? It gives you the competition. And then also gives you like a 12-month trend, unless you see that keyword in seasonal, when it trends, in case you need to change the keyword accordingly to whatever trend you're in at that moment. Meaning, if you're using keywords that trend more on Christmas, maybe in March it won't trend. So you have to switch tags. So it's really, really neat because it gives you a lot of information, especially the most important one, the cost per click. Etsy used to give us the cost per click. We were able to see how much a keyword costs, and we were also able to control the bid. So we could say, okay, we don't want to pay 50 cents per click. We want to pay 10 cents per click. And we were able to do that. But with the new Etsy ads, we are no longer able to see that. And this is the main issue that many Etsy sellers face, is that they're running ads and they're spending more on ads than they're making. And there's three reasons why. So we're going to cover that right now. So I'm going to go to Etsy right now. The main reason why many people are spending more than what they're making is because they're using tags or keywords that are very, very competitive. So to rank organically is almost impossible. And if you run an Etsy ad, your cost per click is going to be extremely high. So digital planners is one that's very popular. Planners on Etsy is one of the number one things that you could sell. However, the competition is fierce. Like there's so much competition. As you can see, the word digital planner, it costs 88 cents. That's the cost per click. And if we type in, let's say, digital planner without the S, is going to probably be the same, but let's just see. Yeah, it is the same, 88 cents per click. So the monthly search volume is pretty good. 1,000 people search for this keyword every single month on Etsy. The cost per click is 88 cents per click. The reason why I'm able to see this here is because I'm using the keyword tool that I just mentioned. If you don't have this keyword tool activated, you won't be able to see this information. I recommend using this tool, especially when you're running Etsy ads, because you need to know how much does that keyword is going to cost you. Because if you say, okay, I want to do a budget of $2 per day on my Etsy ads, and you're using keywords that are this competitive, 136,000 people are using the keyword right now, digital planner, in their listing. So guess what? The higher or the more people that use this particular keyword, the higher your cost per click is. Always keep that in mind. This is the reason why I always recommend using long tail keywords. They'll have less people using them, but then your cost per click won't be as high. And usually long tail keywords will target the right people. So 88 cents. So keep in mind, if your budget is $2 per day, after 2 clicks, you're done for the day, right? Because this tag is 88 cents per click. This is the main reason why many people run Etsy ads and they're like, I'm spending more money on ads than I am on my return on investment, on how much they actually made at the end of the month. So what you need to do is use this tool as a resource when you're doing your research for tags. And you want to stick with keywords that are not as competitive, that still accurately describes what you sell, that's going to drive traffic back to your store, that you could potentially rank organically. But if you were to run an Etsy ad, your cost per click is not as high. When you use keywords that your cost per clicks are not as high, it's going to help you make your budget last longer, which means your listings will be shown to more people throughout the day versus 2 clicks and you're done for the day. They will be shown to more people, and in the long run, you will get more sales because of them. Because keep in mind, Etsy ads or any type of advertising is great because more people see your listings, right? More people view, more people engage with your brand, the higher the probability of people buying from you. So Etsy ads are a great thing. The issue is using tags that, one, are too competitive, so therefore your cost per click is really, really high. Using tags that are very broad, so therefore you're showing your products to the wrong people, right? You're not accurately describing your product. You're just using any keyword just to use. So now you're showing your products to the wrong people. People might click, but they're not buying. So now you're spending money on ads and not getting your return on investment that you really want. So the ultimate goal is to use this tool when you're doing keyword research and making sure that, one, you're optimizing your listing for SEO correctly so you could get found organically. If you need help with your Etsy SEO, I actually have a free PDF guide. You could grab it. I will leave the link right below this video. It will help you optimize not only your Etsy store, but your listings as well for SEO. So ultimately, you want to rank organically. And then you also want to make sure that when you're running an Etsy ad, your cost goes a long way. Like whatever budget you're putting, whether it's $2 or $50, you're able to spread that for a longer period of time, and not after 2 clicks, you're done with your ads for the day. So this is an amazing tool. It's really, really going to help you. If you have any questions about the tool, on how to use it, or anything that comes up that maybe I didn't mention on this video, make sure that you leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to help you with it. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and let me know if you enjoy videos like this with tools like this that will help you. And thank you guys for watching.